Hi, I'm Hasana from TP Social Sciences in Gerontology. We call ourselves GEM for short. Today, I'll be sharing with you what a day looks like in my life as a GEM student. Enjoy! Fun fact, we're the only diploma in Singapore that specializes in healthy aging. Here's a quick look at a day in my life as a GEM student. We usually have face-to-face classes, but today, I'm in the comfort of my home, ready for this morning's interactive online lesson. Simply understanding the psychological and social theories of how we age is not enough. So, I'm headed to school for some hands-on experience. Wearing the aging suit allows GEM students to experience the effect aging can have on balance, speed, and range of movement. Time for a quick discussion with my project group before heading home. It's been a long day, but there's always time for some fun with the GEM interest group. I always feel at home with GEM and I can't wait to welcome you into the family. So, what are you waiting for? Come join us now!